Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video has been specially made to celebrate the Bengali New Year, Poila Boishakh. It's summer here in India and it marks the beginning of the Bengali New Year. So, Shubho Noboborsho everyone, as we say Happy New Year in Bengali. I have tried to make something very special for this Noboborsho. We often worship Lord Ganesha on this day to mark new beginnings. So I have tried to make an artwork based on Lord Ganesha. I hope you like today's artwork and enjoy doing it all by yourselves. So take out all your acrylic colors, brushes and a canvas and let's get started. You will need a canvas for this. I used a canvas board. You can also use any stretched canvas for this purpose. This is a pre-primed canvas, but if you are using an unprimed canvas, then make sure that you prime your canvas with gesso before beginning to paint. You can also use gesso on a pre-primed canvas if you want to make your canvas smoother for a better finish. I am using these fluorescent or neon acrylic colors for today's painting to give it that extra glow. I will also use the normal acrylic colors alongside. In the beginning, I am using fluorescent pink, fluorescent orange and fluorescent yellow. Spray some water on the colors with the help of a spray bottle. This will prevent the colors from drying up too fast on the canvas and will also help in better application of colors on the canvas. I am using a palette knife to spread the colors evenly. Please do all the blending with the help of this palette knife only. This helps to create textures with the colors, which goes really well with abstract art. Let's apply some neon green and some neon blue now. You can also use any other combination of your choice. It is not compulsory for you to follow the same color combinations that I have used in this painting. You can play with different colors to make the background here. Continue to add some more layers in the same process. We will do some other arrangement till the canvas dries up. Make a glue solution with the help of one part of Fevicol and one part of water. Take a jute rope, preferably a thinner one, and dip it in this glue solution. Keep it aside for some time. I wanted to make some 3D textures on the canvas, which is why I used a jute rope instead of clay or hot glue gun. Both of these would create a smoother texture, which I didn't want to. Once the colors on the canvas dried up, I used an HB pencil to draw the final outline of my subject. Apply some glue on the outline and paste the jute rope on the glue. We will add shadows to the painting with the help of dark colors to make it more realistic and to give that extra 3D effect on the painting. Make some textures using a palette knife and the neon colors. This will help to add some highlights to the painting. When you are done with the background, paint the 3D outlines with black color. You can use any other color of your choice, of course. But remember, the color that you are using to do the outlines should have a strong contrast with the background. Since black will stand out the most among all colors, I am using black for this purpose. But what I'll do at the end is, I will dust some golden color on the black with the help of my finger. This will help to soften the strong contrast of the 3D outlines and will make the painting a little softer. So watch out, here I am taking some golden color on my fingertips. Don't use a brush here, just take it on your fingertips and brush it on the textured rope in this way. Once all the paint dries up, it's time to varnish the painting. Don't forget to varnish the 3D outlines as well. Apply varnish on every nook and corner of the painting. This will protect your painting for a long time and also will give a glossy finish to your entire painting. Once the varnishing is done, allow it to dry up for almost a day or two. And tan, your painting is ready. Please tell me whether you like today's artwork or not, and please don't forget to leave any of your suggestion in the comment section below. Please, please, please. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share it with all the art lovers you know. And please help me grow. Thank you so much, and bye.